Yo, family, back at it once again. It's your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. So I actually got a treat for you guys today. Are any of you guys interested in learning how to be able to trade, indices, US-30, SPX, NAS 100, UK 100, so on and so
Oh, have I got your attention now?
forth? We're actually going to be talking about that today. So I'm going to show you guys something that you probably already know about. So if you guys did not have a chance, right? Definitely make sure you guys go tap into the Goldcup videos that are going to be located on my YouTube channel so that you guys are able, right, to be able to go full force and be able to dive into all of the information I have you guys for you to be able to do, right? So without any further ado, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the YouTube channel before we even go any further, because I want you guys to stay up to date with every single video that we're about to do. I'm going to see you guys soon on the next clip. Peace. Yo, everybody, back after a brief intermission. Favorite entrepreneur, official Tyree Samuels. So let's go ahead and dive directly into it. So as I told you guys from the title of this video, we're going to be talking about indices. So if you guys like the fast moving stuff, the stuff that, can make you a lot or lose you a lot, this is going to be the video for you. So what I'm about to go ahead and do, I'm about to go ahead, dive into my screen record so I can actually show you guys how to utilize the Goldcup app. And then on the second portion of this video, I'm actually go to the desktop, aka the laptop, and show you guys how to utilize that as well too. So please make sure you guys, before you do anything else, go to im.academy, locate the shopping cart, add US-30 for about $10, okay? So let me go ahead and locate the app. Let me go ahead and start screen sharing. Give me 1 second. All right, cool. So what I want you guys to be able to look at is, I already put this up on the screen. This is gonna be the Goldcup app, okay? You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 different tabs, all right? Now, the thing that I really want you guys to be able to do is, please go look at the Goldcup app tutorial video, because I'm not gonna go through everything. Right, so I'm actually tagged right here, the Goldcup app tutorial video that I actually went into extensive detail with to be able to help you guys. That's what you want to be able to utilize, all right? Let me actually turn off this battery saving mode, okay? So the main thing you want to focus on is going to be where it says US-30. So you're going to go tap on that, right? I'm going to go back one more time, US-30, okay? We're going to tap on that, right? Now, after you tap on that, it's going to be pretty simple. The most recent trade I did, assuming that there was one, is going to pop up at the front. What you guys see was SPX 500. It's indicating a sell. They're giving us a note that says, okay, everyone, SPX 500 is flying down and news is starting to protect the money, okay? So let's actually swipe to the right. So they're telling us it's a sell. You guys can see right here. It's telling us who sent it, the Forex chick, aka Kimberly Torres, and the strategy is going to be US-30. Technically, the strategy is not US-30, it's a pair, but y'all get it, right? It's going to tell you the time frame, which is the M15, 15-minute, the entry, right? The stop loss, and then 3 different take profits, okay? So what you guys want to be able to make sure you do is you tap in, use the app, pay attention to the notifications whenever you get the Telegram update that I'm going to show you guys on the second portion of the video. And then that's basically all you guys really need to be able to know. This is going to be a second example, NAS 100, right? They actually given an update saying NAS 100 already hit take profit 1 and take profit 2. Let's go ahead and swipe to the right. So same example. The order type is a sell. It's listed. Who it's by, the Forex chick is listed. The strategy US-30 is listed. M15, entry, stop loss, TP1 through TP3. And with that being said, guys, that's literally how you guys are going to take advantage of the US-30 add-on utilizing the Goldcup app. Now, what I want you guys to be able to do is stick around for the second portion of this video. It's going to start shortly, and I'm going to show you guys how to be able to dive into the desktop version, as well as utilizing the Telegram and other things of that nature. See you guys shortly. Peace. Yo, everybody. So like I said, back at it once again. This is going to be the follow-up of the clip that we were just talking about. So we're actually going to be diving directly into how to use the desktop version to be able to take advantage of the US-30 add-on on Goldcup. So let's go ahead and get right into it, right? So as you guys always know, we start off by doing the same thing every time. You're always going to start off with Go Live. So make sure you guys locate Go Live on im.center. Go ahead and click on that, okay? Now, the next thing you guys want to be able to do is, if you're brand new to Go Live, go ahead and tap into the Forex Basics tutorials so you guys know how to be able to navigate efficiently, okay? We're going to scroll down. We're going to pass up to pick a channel. We're going to locate where it says Strategies Education. Once we do that, we want to be able to select where it says Goldcup, okay? I'm going to go ahead and select Goldcup, right? Now, after I select Goldcup, there's going to be 5 different educators, but you only need to focus on one, okay? Technically, it's 2 people, but it's on one channel. It's going to be Kimberly Torres and Delana Benda, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click them, right? Now, actually, let me go back real quick. So Kimberly Torres and Delana Benda actually go live 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I'm actually show you guys a bonus session before I actually hop off. So look, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm gonna go ahead and click on them, right? Now, what I want you guys to be able to focus on is peep this, right? So they're gonna have a favorite sessions. Guess what I would like you guys to do? Go through the favorite sessions, right? You got 2 videos. Yeah, one is 2 hours, but that's gonna be the best 2 hours of your life. Okay, so I want you guys to tap in, do not skip, and that's gonna help you be able to get on these calls and start profiting effectively, right? Because I'm gonna be honest, if you get on these calls and you do not know what's going on, it is going to hurt you. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to be able to do is I'm going to go back. Now I'm going to go to where it says pick a channel. I'm going to click on the FRX Academy. Okay. And this is actually what I'm going to do. Let me see if she's actually still on here. Okay, cool. So 2 things you guys can actually do, right? Right here, Kimberly Torres. Sorry, I'm looking for something else while I'm on here. Okay, cool. So what you guys want to be able to locate is you want to be able to locate Kimberly Torres right here. Now, she goes live every Sunday and she's going to give you guys, I repeat, 10 setups every Sunday, right? 10 different setups, a mixture of crypto, Forex, and indices, right? That's going to be separate from the Goldcup channel, 100% free. So you guys want to make sure you tap into that. Has nothing to do with the US-30 add-on, okay? That's going to be your bonus, right? Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to go back to im.center, okay? We're going to go back to im.center, right? And now from im.center, we're going to go locate where it says strategies, okay? So I'm going to go click on where it says strategies, right? Now, after I click on where it says strategies, the thing that you guys want to be able to do is you want to scroll down. You want to locate the FRX Academy. Now you want to click on where it says Goldcup, okay? Let's read this real quick. US-30, optional second tier add-on, simplicity and quality over quantity in the market. It's going to be intraday and it's going to be indices for the market ideas. Let's go ahead and dive into it, right? So whenever we get here, as usual, make sure you guys go through the tutorial so you know exactly how to be able to dive into this, right? Let me move my face out the way. All right, bet. So whenever you get here, the first thing you guys need to do is hover over where it says strategy, and you need to click on where it says US-30. If you notice that this padlock is still locked, that means you have not gone to im.academy and successfully added it through your shopping cart. So make sure you do so. It is only a $10 add-on, okay? Now, what I want to be able to do real quick is show you guys how to be able to take advantage of this info. So you are going to get an alert through Goldcup, okay? So let me pull up Goldcup. By the way, guys, I will drop the Goldcup app, Goldcup Telegram in the description of the YouTube video. Definitely check down there to get it. So they actually have a new Goldcup channel. So within this Goldcup channel, you guys are going to see the most recent trade idea was for NAS 100, new trade idea, and actually smacked TP1 and TP2. On top of that, it looks like SPX actually smashed all the targets as well. So what I'm actually do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to see if we can notice, right? So what we can see is NAS 100 right here. And it looks like, right, take profit 1 and take profit 2 are targeted and hit. Now, the next thing I want to be able to focus on is, my bad. Next thing I want to focus on is these little blue bubbles. So these blue bubbles, if you hover over them, are actually going to give you instructions. So it says sell the break below this point, but remember your broker has different numbers. So she's basically saying, hey guys, whenever the market breaks and closes below this entry, that's whenever you actually want to be able to get in, okay? Now, the next one is going to say, hey, both targets were smashed. TP1 and TP2 were hit. So obviously adjust your stop loss to break even, take partials, and get up out of there, okay? Or hold it, because obviously it did go and smash all 3 targets, okay? So with that being said, guys, that's exactly how you're going to be able to tap in, utilize the information, and learn how to be able to use the trade ideas that get sent through the US-30 add-on through Goldcup. The live trading sessions are 3 days out the week. You definitely want to tap into that so they can show you guys how to mark up the chart. And maybe in the future, you'll be marking them and calling out your own trade ideas. Now that we finished that, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me go ahead and get you to hit that subscribe button, because I want you to stay up to date every single time we drop a new video, because I don't want you to get left out. Then the next thing I would like you guys to be able to do is like, comment, share, and subscribe one more time, right? Follow your boy on Instagram, official Tyree Samuels, and as usual, I'm gonna see you guys at the top, not front of top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you when you want to be a peace.